Hi everyone! So the other day I hauled these 3 items from Temu and I said I wanted to fill up these little jars to see how it would work and look. So that's what we're going to do today. When I originally bought these, I thought there was a lid to it because you can see it has like a little seam around here. So I thought you could just twist this off, fill it up with like sequins mix and then close it back up. But there are no lids to these, unfortunately. So that was real bummer because that went like my whole idea. They're $2 for the 3. They're on clearance at Hobby Lobby. So I think I'm going, let's see. I'm going to put some of these nail stickers. You see I stuck one on my thumb. I probably should have like cleaned my nail before I threw it on there, but I just threw it on there. So I'm going to put some of these onto the jar before I fill it up, I think. What would look good off of this? Oh yeah, that orange doesn't look bad. There's quite a bit of little stickers in here. And then I brought my tweezers out so we can peel these off easier. So you just kind of like roll it back, get the little corner up. Let's put this like in the front. Probably should have got an alcohol and cotton ball and cleaned these off too, huh? Oh, well, I did not think of that, but that was probably would be a good idea. Let's see. This one says Halloween. We'll put this along the side. I don't know how many stickers I want to add there. Oh, look, that black cat came up, so clearly he wants to go on our jar. We'll put him over here. And then I wanted this Halloween one. There it goes. We'll put that one on the other side. Down on the bottom there. Okay, let me add a couple more and then we'll be back. Okay, so I just went around putting different nail stickers around the outside of the jar there. So now we're going to open this on up and hopefully it will dry. I've never used this before. Oh, there's a piping tip in here, which doesn't make sense because I would be missing a piece. Because this looks like it's supposed to screw onto something, and when we do cakes, like my mom used to do cakes, you need the other part to screw it onto the bag. Is this one bag or is this 2 bags? Okay, this is in 2 bags. So then they should have given the other part, unless you're supposed to put this through here and then stick it back in the other bag. But I want to save this so I know I'm not going to use this all. Decisions. Okay. I don't think I'm going to use this. I think I'm just going to cut a small hole. How big do I want to cut? I want it big enough so that it'll squeeze out. Okay, let's find out if that will work. This is nice and sealed at the top. So let's just push it all down. Oh no, I'm going to break this. This is not a big enough hole. Whoopsie. Ugh. This is going to make a mess now. Put that on there. Ah, it's stuck to me. Okay. So you definitely need a bigger hole to get it to squirt in there. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm going to break the bag. Oh, it didn't even fill up. Okay. Like, there's holes in there. I should have paid better attention. Okay, let me think. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try pounding it on the table like this, which is going to shake you guys, so I'll be right back. Okay, so tapping it on the table did not work, so I made a mess with my pokey tool. I gotta clean that up. I used it to kind of spread it out and get, you know, more in there. There are some air bubbles, but I like it better because it looks kind of more like natural if you're getting like a milkshake. And then this came out all sloppy, so I'm gonna try to, I wonder if I should put this on there. Let's see if I can make this look nice. Like semi-decent, let's see. Because I do want to add like some clay bits to the top. Maybe I should throw some glitter on there too. I don't know, does that look like a little milkshake? Hopefully. I don't know, maybe. Okay, so I have ghosts, pumpkins, cats, and coffins that I think would look cute with this. If I had like Nightmare Before Christmas nail stickers, I totally would have done a Nightmare Before Christmas one because I have the little clay bits here. So let's see. I'm gonna get this is like my little diamond dot pen, so I'm gonna get this one. Hopefully I don't get it too dirty. And then let's see if we could just stick these on there. Oh yeah, that's stuck nice. Okay. Let's get a little cat. Put the cat over here. Got a little ghosty. Put the ghosty right on top there. I think I like those. Maybe do another one there. I kind of just push it down in there a little bit more. Kind of like crazy messy. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, little tiny sequins would have been cute too. Like some little stars. I don't think I have any little stars. Okay, I put those two cats side by side, so I want to break it up and add another little coffin over there. And then maybe I'll put a ghost down over here. I really like the color of this. This is totally giving me like Nightmare Before Christmas, like Oogie Boogie vibes. So I wish I had some little nail arts and some like little Oogie Boogie clay pieces. I have like diamond dots down here somewhere. Oh, I should have put this little spider on there. That would have been so cool. Let's see if I can get out any of the little diamond dots out of here. There's like a black one. I got some of that green stuff on my pen. Let's see. So here it is. I probably did too much on top with all the little diamond dots and the little sequins, but I don't mind it. I think it's actually kind of cute. It's a little bit like more messier than what I would have wanted. I might try to use the little tip that it came with, but I think overall it came out really cute. So once it all dries, I'll just go ahead and like dangle and be a little embellishment. I think that'd be really, really cute. It's not too heavy either. So yeah, there's our little project for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is just the random things that I do when I'm at home that I normally don't share with you guys because, like, I don't know, I just feel like, okay, just kind of weird, but that's just me. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and learned something. If I remember, I'll leave a link down below to these products that I got from Temu. And like I said, these were recently on clearance at Hobby Lobby, so I'm not sure if you can still find those. I might try to get the little tip on to try to do the top, but I'm definitely going to fill my other ones because I'm afraid that this like stuff will dry out. So I'm going to fill the other ones. And then I'm probably going to go over to Temu and see if I can find any Nightmare Before Christmas nail stickers that I can put on these. Because like I said, it's really giving me like Nightmare Before Christmas Oogie Boogie vibes. So I think those would be so cute if I can find the little nail stickers or maybe just some mini little stickers. And then I'm going to see if I can find little clay pieces. but I do have the Jack and Sally in this one, so I'll probably just use these clay pieces for the top and then get some like little Oogie Boogie stickers around the bottom. I think would be really cute. So anyways, all right, that's our video for today. We'll see you later. Bye, guys.